Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the best short hairstyles for women over 60 with thin hair. If you are looking for a style that is easy to manage, elegant and adds volume, you are in the right place. As we age, hair naturally becomes thinner, so the right haircut can make a big difference. The goal is to create fullness, shape and a youthful look without much effort. First, the classic pixie cut. Pixie cuts are timeless and perfect for thin hair. They give a chic and modern look, and short layers add volume at the top. You can also try a pixie with side swept bangs to soften your face and make your features look delicate and elegant. Second, the layered bob. A short layered bob is one of the most flattering haircuts for women over 60. Layers create movement and make thin hair appear thicker. You can have a cheek length bob or slightly longer, soft waves or a slight curl add extra volume and a youthful touch. Third, the pixie crop. A textured short crop works wonderfully for thin hair. Texturizing gives the illusion of thickness and it's easy to style in the morning. You can use a light mousses or separate to lift your hair at the roots, giving it more body and bounce. Fourth, short haircuts. Short haircuts are trendy and elegant. One side is slightly longer than the other, creating a super stylish look. This style also draws attention to your face and cheekbones, giving a slimmer appearance. Fifth, soft curls or waves for short hair. Even with short hair, soft curls or waves add volume and dimension. A gentle curl at the ends of a bob or pixie makes hair look fuller and adds a lively youthful vibe. Sixth, side swept bangs. Side swept bands is a great option for thin hair. Side swept or wispy bangs cover the forehead gently and add softness to your face. Avoid heavy blunt bangs as they can make hair look fault. Seventh, hair color tips. Lighter shades, highlights or lowlights give thin hair more depth and texture. Soft caramel, honey blonde or warm brown shades are very flattering. Avoid very dark colors. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.